Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix DNS server is not responding problems, or a DNS server is not working. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all you can go to your in the search box and type a control panel. Go to your control panel and go to your network and internet. After doing this step, select the network and sharing center. Go to your change adapter settings. Select the internet adapter which is used to connect your internet. Right click and go to your properties. After doing this step, you can select the internet protocol version 4 and go to your properties. Click on use the following DNS server addresses. Select it and set a DNS server is 208.67.222.222 and alternative DNS is 208.67.220 and loss is 220. After doing this step, click on OK button and close it. After doing this step, disable your internet connection. After a few seconds, once again enable your internet connection. Okay guys, now after doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.